Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file a business tax extension online. Filing an extension gives your business valuable extra time to prepare and submit your tax return, typically an additional 6 months. It's a straightforward process that can be completed digitally, saving you time and hassle. We'll cover everything you need to know, from understanding deadlines to the actual steps of submitting your request, ensuring you can navigate this process with confidence. Most businesses, including corporations and partnerships, can easily request a tax extension. It's crucial to file your extension request by your business's original tax deadline, which could be March 15th or April 15th, depending on your business structure. For example, partnerships often have a March 15th deadline. Keep in mind, an extension only gives you more time to submit your paperwork. It does not extend the deadline for paying any taxes you owe. You must still pay your estimated tax liability by the original due date to avoid penalties. Filing your business tax extension online is quite simple. For most business entities, you'll use IRS Form 704. If you're a sole proprietor, you'll typically use Form 4868, which is for individuals. You can file through tax software or directly via the IRS website. Be sure to have your employer identification number, or EIN, ready, along with a good estimate of any taxes you might owe. This information is essential for a smooth submission. To avoid potential penalties, it is critical to pay any estimated tax liability by your original tax due date, even if you file an extension. An approved extension generally provides an extra 6 months to complete and submit your full tax return. Always keep thorough records of your extension application and any payments made. This ensures you have documentation for your files and can easily reference it if needed. Filing an extension offers peace of mind, giving you the necessary time to prepare an accurate return.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.